You will need plain flour or maida 1 cup, half a cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste, mixed herbs if you want to add some flavoring to your pizza base, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, a few tablespoons of plain flour or maida for dusting, and 1.5 cups of salt for baking. So let us start making it. I'm going to start off by adding the salt to a idli cooker. You can also use a pressure cooker if you wish. A normal pan also works well. Just ensure the pan is huge enough. Now I'm going to spread the salt. Now place a wire stand followed by a perforated plate. Now I'm going to cover this up and heat this up in medium flame while we are getting ready with the dough, which will take about 5 to 7 minutes to the max. I have a kneading plate here in which I'm going to add in my plain flour or maida, followed by salt to taste, baking powder and baking soda. Now I'm going to mix this well and make a dough using yogurt. Now I'm going to add some oil to it. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here. You can also use normal cooking oil. Knead this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So my dough is ready. Now I'm going to divide it into two and roll it. Into this dusted rolling board, I'm going to take my rolling pin and roll this. So I have rolled this. Now let's transfer this to our utensil. You can use any 7-inch steel or aluminum utensil. Today I'm going to use my cake tin. Here I have my cake tin lined with some oil and some plain flour or maida. Now I'm going to take my rolled pizza base and put it here. You can give it some pricks. Now let's pop this in our cooker. Now this tin goes inside our cooker for about 5 minutes in medium flame. So our pizza base is just out from our cooker. We are going to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we are going to take it out. This has risen double as well. You can see our pizza base is absolutely ready. Our pizza base is absolutely ready. I have added little bit of herbs on the other one. You can also make like that if you wish.